We decided to go camping on a beach. You know, we gotta keep it keto while we're camping and show you how we're gonna make a quick keto meal while on the beach. And you know we're gonna make it delicious, so let's do this. First thing first, I gotta get myself set up with the surfboard. We're gonna grab that from a local surf shop, and I think my parents have it set up with our first meal. Let's see what they got. So what are we making for dinner?
T-bone steak.
Some T-bone steak. It's keto! What? Screw cars. Yeah.
You can't say screw, you get demonetized.
Yeah, don't say screw. All right. So we got those grilling up right here. And as far as sides go, well, I got some keto drinks and I already got a video on that. So if you want to see that video, go ahead and hit that link in the description. You really don't need to get too creative when you're camping. Got some onions going right here on a little Coleman grill. And yeah, just like that, we got some T-bone steaks. All right, so it looks like my dad and my little cousin have his dinner number 2. Let's go see what they're reeling in.
Oh, summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
Okay, so fishing was a success, except we got a shark, and you know we can't eat sharks, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little kayaking in this beautiful marsh here, and we're hoping to find some clams. And clams, we're gonna put just a bunch of butter. It's gonna be delicious. Who knows what we're gonna get out here. If anything, we're just gonna catch a nice tan. Okay, so clamming, pretty much all you do. Don't need any equipment. You kind of just jump in the water and you feel around with your hands until you feel a clam.
The big ones are going to be chopped up for a chowder.
Now,
but these are going to pop open on the grill. A little bit of butter,
yeah,
garlic.
Let's do it.
Lemon.
Got some mussels too. All right, let's see what happens. Make some compound butter. All right, so what we got here is a little compound butter, and finally we're eating some keto food that we actually caught. We actually just got another shark up at the beach. It was a 4-foot shark, but once again, can't eat it. So we can eat the clams that Sam and I got kayaking on the marshes over there, and it's a really simple compound butter. And yeah, I mean, we're keeping it keto while we're camping, and this is gonna be pretty delicious. Okay, so we are in Maryland. That's where we're camping. And Maryland loves crabs. They love blue crabs specifically. And all you need is a little bit of steam, the crab, and some Old Bay seasoning, and you've got a very fantastic keto camping meal, which is exactly what I'm doing today. It takes just a pot of water, seasoning, and then we're set. All right, guys, keto camping was a success. It's time to get back, and we got some good recipes to come, so thanks for watching this short video. To the keto guys, stay healthy.